good. We stayed together. We just try to really focus. Sometimes it was really hard because there wasn't really that much trash, but that's when we had to look a little bit deeper, like in the bushes, or just really focus on the cigarette butts on the floor.
It's something that's very close to our heart, and especially living in Australia, it is such a beautiful place. And we also understand that everything we have, everything, our clothes, our buildings, comes from Mother Earth, and so we really have to protect her.
What is really nice is we probably saw this as a sport and a way to visit Japan and learn about Japanese culture, but actually what we've learned is how important the ecological side of it is. So a lot of the other teams maybe were more ecological and less sport, and we're probably the opposite, but we've taken so much away about how much we need to clean up our oceans and reduce litter.